Okay, we bought us a B&W companion for fifth wheel. Got it online off Facebook Marketplace. $350, that was a good deal. But it's all backwards and I have to totally take it apart and re-put it back together. It's in the wrong spot for our application camper we're going to be pulling with it, so gonna get her flipped around, turned around right and lowered down because my truck sits so high compared to most. Hopefully it ain't gonna be a bind on that little camper, but we'll see what happens. Well, we got our B&W companion in. Got it farthest forward and lowest it can go. Had to turn it around for the turnover ball where that goes in, but it's in there solid. Supposed to torque that down 40 pounds, that bolt right there, after you drop it in. Make it solid against the bed. I put these rubber things under there to keep it from rattling and stuff, but we're gonna hitch that thing up to my mom's camper. See how she does. Okay, we got the black sheep hooked up to my mom's little camper with that B&W companion in the back of there. We're gonna give this thing a try, take it out to chug water to the place so we have some place to kick back while we work on our house. Getting ready to go to finally get doing some stuff at our own place.
The fifth wheel out to chug water, doing about 65, 70, seems to be doing pretty good. Gotta get the whole thing lowered. Can you see the whole truck? Okay, we made it to Chugwater, getting ready to pull in the gate. Ah, he's scary.
Look at the size of that grasshopper.
Hey! Honey, I am gonna seriously better get it right now. Okay, here's our fifth wheel we're gonna be living in while we build.
There's my little girl, my babyest, finally learning how to drive after getting out of Utah. Practicing out here in the middle of nowhere's Chugwater. Just waiting for them to leave the place and I'll follow them out of here and lock the place up. But we're finally getting homesteaded out here. Got the camper dropped off for now. Yeah, it was a boo-boo. Another owie on the black sheep here. I can fix it, but it's just not fun. I mean, can't wait till we get that second gen running so we can put this thing out of commission again in retirement mode. So it's a Sunday driver again, like it was meant to be, but you gotta do what you gotta do. There's the wife.